Body Fangs walk through the bush. Guys, you know when you're clubbing to and through the bushes there, you see some of the most bloody amazing wild and dangerous animals. Like this. Ja, giddy. Ja, byt sy vinger. Byt sy vinger. Ja, the bloody amazing. Ja, I will call him Simba Chippy. Yeah, but you want to see something that's a bit more bloody amazing and a bit more wild than that? Look at this. Bloody wild dog bumpers, the best on the market, locally produced, and it goes through a complete ASE testing to make sure that you are safe in a situation when you need it most. Check them out, Wild Dog Accessories. Bloody amazing.